Did you know that there are accessory feet for Sergers? For the Husqvarna Viking Amber S100, we're going to put some links in the description to the 5 accessory feet that you can buy for this Serger at your local Husqvarna Viking store. And to show you, this is the video for showing you how to take your foot on and off. And it's good to know because sometimes I like to take this foot off when I'm cleaning out the underneath the throat plate. So there's a button in the back, and as you push it towards you, it's just going to drop off the foot. So it makes it really easy. As you can see on the foot, there's kind of a little bar, and what you have on your Serger is kind of like a claw. So as I go to lower this down onto the foot, that claw needs to be lined up with the bar. Once the claw is over the top of it, sometimes it will click on, but if it doesn't, I'm going to show you the trick. So you just kind of slide it underneath, kind of hold it with one hand, and then as you kind of line it up, I can see I'm sitting on it, but if I push that button again, it kind of opens up the claw and attaches. Now we're reattached. So which feet are available for this Serger? We're talking about a gathering foot, a purl foot, which is great for sewing on pearls or sequins, a blind hem foot. Yes, a blind hem on a Serger on knit fabrics is beautiful. An elastic foot, which would allow you to pre-tension elastic. So for going around swimwear, underwear, anything with stretch in the workout world, if you're doing any type of those projects, the elastic foot is ideal. And then there's also a piping foot. So making your own covered piping on a Serger makes it look really, really sharp, and it goes fast, plus it's overlocked. It's super great. But in the Husqvarna Viking accessory guide, which we are linking to in the description below, you can learn more about those feet and how to use them. I know my favorite one is the gathering foot. We use it in conjunction with the differential feed, and it can gather fabric, both a single layer or one layer gathered to another layer. So it's a great all-in-one feature. So check out those accessory feet. Ask your Husqvarna Viking dealer for those feet when you are ready to purchase them.